morning, dear student. Welcome to you e-learning class managed by Modern English School Hour. Dear student, myself Surya Kumar, your mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area Hour. Student, today I will discuss the remaining questions of examples of 5C related to the sum of the year terms. Before this video, I solved 5 or 6 questions. Now see from this exercise 5C example from starting 1. That is how many terms of the AP 3579 must be added to get the sum 100. That means in this question, right solution, that means in this question 3 5 7 9 dot dot AP is given and also given that is question sum of n terms is 200. Now your question is how many terms, that means 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9, how many terms you add and you get to 120. So first you write what is A is 3, what is D 5 minus 3, that is 2, and what is Sn is 120. Then use the formula Sn is equal to 120 and it is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 120. Here n is not given, write n by 2, 2 into a, what is a? A is 3 plus n minus 1, what is d? D is 2 is equal to 120. Then n 6 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 120 into 2. Then here is n and 6 minus 2, that is 4 plus 2n is equal to 240. Then 2n square plus 4n is equal to 240. 2 is the common, so n square plus 2n is equal to 120. So 240. Then this 2 is cancelled, you get 120. Now n square plus 2n minus 120 is equal to 0. Then your work is by middle term, it is 120 and here is 2. So 12 into 10, 120 and subtract, then you get 2. So n square plus 12n minus 10n minus 120 is equal to 0. Then take n as a common, then n plus 12 minus 10 as a common, then n plus 10, n plus 12 is equal to 0. Then n minus 10 and n plus 12 are the factor, that is 0. So n is equal to 10 and n is equal to minus 12. It is not possible because it is a negative sum. So n is equal to 10. That means number of terms is 10. When we add 3, 5, 7 as a 10 term, then we get the sum is 120. Then if given the sum, then you try to solve with only using the formula of Sn, that is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 to d, and you can find the value of n. Now see question number 7, example of 5c. That is how many terms of the AP 17, 15, 13, 11 must be added to get 72, and explain the double answer. The sum is 72, and previous question I solved it, how you can find the sum is 72 and AP is given. But in this question, extra question is added here, that explain the double answer. What is the explaining of the double answer? Now see here, first you write solution, and we have 17, 15, 13, 11 and Sn is equal to 72. This is given. So we write here what is A, that is A is 17. What is D? D is minus 2. 17 minus 15, 15 minus 17, always D find from T2 minus T1. So 15 minus 17 minus 2. And Sn is 72. Now use Sn 72. So n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 72. Then what is n? Not given here. N by 2, 2a, a is 17 plus n minus 1, and what is d? D is minus 2 is equal to 72. So here is n by 2, 2a means 34, 2 into 7 34 minus 2n and plus 2 is equal to 72. Then n 36 minus 2n, 34 plus 2 36 minus 2n is equal to 72 into 2. This 2 will go that side. Then 36n minus 2n square is equal to 72 into 2. Take 2 as a common. Then 18n minus n square is equal to 72 into 2. This 2 is cancelled. Then write minus n square plus 18n minus 72 is equal to 0. And now you have minus n square minus 72, and here is 18n. So how you find? You write here minus square and 12n plus 6n. Then 12 6 is 72. Here minus and minus plus, so it is plus 72, and minus 72 is equal to 0. You take minus n is common, then it is n minus 12. And here take as a common plus 6, then it is also n minus 12 is equal to 0. So one factor is minus n plus 6, another factor is n minus 12 is equal to 0. So what you get? You get here n minus 12 first factor, and second minus n plus 6 is equal to 0. So dear student, what is n? N is 12 and here n is 6. Now there are two conditions here, that first answer is 12 and second answer is 6, and both have positive sign. Because here minus n and here minus n is equal to minus 6, then both are positive. So n is 12, n is 6. Now you raise your questions that how it is possible. Then we add the 12 number, then it is also 72, and when we add 6 number, then it is also 72. How it is possible? So you write here first 12 number, that is 17, after 17 15, 13, 11, 9, 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5. After 5, 3. After 3, 1. After 1, minus 1, minus 3, and 5. Dear students, there are 12 terms. We write in the form of AP, that is 17, 15, 13, dot, dot, dot. AP is your given. I write here that is 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. Because it is in descending order and 2 subtracted from each term, so here is 17, 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, here 5, 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5. Your question is, when we add 6 number, then you get 72. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you add this 6 number, you get 72. How it is possible? 17 plus 15 plus 13 plus 11 plus 9 plus 7, you get 72. 9 plus 7, 16 plus 11, 27 plus 13, 27 plus 13, 40 plus 55 and plus 17, that is 72. It is clear. When we add this 6 number, then it is clear the sum of 17 plus 15 plus 13 plus 11 plus 9 plus 7 is 72. And the number of terms are only 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But when you add all 12, then we also get 72. Why? Because when you add 12, this minus 5 cancel with plus 5, this 3 cancel with minus 3, and minus 1 cancels 1. So when we add 12 number, then it is also 72. That it is clear, and it is the explanation of the double answer. From 7 to 12 term must be 0. Because first term, second term, third term, fourth term, 5 term, 6 term, and 7 term, 8 term, 9 term, 7 term, 8 term, 9 term, 10 term, 11 term, 12 term. That means from 7 to 12 term must be 0. Then we add the 12 term, then answer is 72, and then we add 6 term, then also answer is 72. So explanation, you write, it is clear, the sum of 7 to 12 term must be 0. Must be 0. The sum of 7 to 12 term must be 0. So it is the explanation that how we get, there are two answers, first is 12, another is 6. The sum of 12 term is also 72, and sum of term of 6 term is also 72. So it is the main reason that the sum of next 6 term must be 0. Now see question number 10, that is the 14th term of an AP is twice the 8th term. That means T14 is equal to twice of T8. Then you write here equation, that is A plus 14 minus 1 into D is equal to 2 into A plus 8 minus 1 into D. Then here is A plus 13D is equal to 2 A plus 7D. Here is A plus 13D is equal to 2A plus 14D. Then A plus 13D minus 2A minus 14D is equal to 0. Then minus A and minus D is equal to 0. That is equation first. And second equation is, and its sixth term is minus 8. That is T6 is minus 8. T6 is minus 8. So you write here A plus 6 minus 1 into D is equal to minus 8. Then A plus 5D is equal to minus 8. It is second equation. Then first equation is minus A minus D is equal to 0, and second is A plus 5D is equal to minus 8. When we add, you get plus minus cancel. Then it is 4D is equal to minus 2. Then what is D? 4D is equal to minus 8. Then what is D? D is equal to minus 8 by 4. That is minus 2. If D is minus 2, then substitute the answer, that is minus A minus 2 is equal to 0. Then minus A plus 2 is equal to 0. Then A is equal to minus 2. Then A is equal to 2. That means A is equal to 2 and D is equal to minus 2. So now write A is equal to 2 and D is equal to minus 2. So now your question, find the sum of 20 term. Then S20 is what? S20 is n by 2, 2A plus n minus 1 into D. That is n is 20, then 20 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 20 minus 1 into D. D is minus 2. Then here is 10 and it is 4. And here 20 minus 1, 19 minus 2, that is minus 38. Then here is 10 and it is minus 34. Then multiply, you get 340. So dear student, if there are two formulas here, one formula is Tn, A plus n minus 1 into D, another formulization. But both equations are related to Tn, that is one is fourth term is and AP is twice its eighth term, and second is sixth term minus 8. From these two equations, you first find A and D. If you find A and D, then easily you can find what is the sum of 20 terms. Now see question number 13 of examples 5C. In an AP, there are 50 terms and the sum of first 10 terms is 210 and the sum of last 15 terms is 2565. Find the AP. Here is given first is that is S10 is equal to given 210. So from this equation to find at the place of A and D, you can form equation. You write here n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 210. What is n is here? N is first 10 term, then n is 10 by 2, 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d, 210. 2 5 ja, then 2a plus 9d is equal to 210 by 5. Because here 5 is multiplied then by 5. So 5 4 ja and 5 2 ja. So 2a plus 9d is equal to 40d, which is first equation. But second term is here that the sum of last 15 terms. That means there are 50 terms and last 15 term means from 36 term to 50 term is the sum is 2565. So dear student, if your question is given to from last, then how you can find this 50 term? It is only possible from S50 you subtract S35. That means the sum of 50 terms subtract sum of 35, then you get remaining 50 term and that is from the last. So S50 minus S35 you get here 2565. Now what is S50? That is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Similarly, what is S35? It is n by 2, 2a plus 35 minus 1 into d is equal to 256. Here is take 2 as a common, then what you get here 50, 2a plus 49d minus 35, 2a plus 34d is equal to 2565 into these two take common, go that side into 2. Now take common 5. So here 5 common, then it is 10. 2a plus 49d. Here 7 and 2a plus 34d is equal to 2565 into 2 and by 5. We take 5 as a common and divided the numbers of 5. 5 the 25, 5 1 ja and 5 3 ja. So 5 5 ja 25, 6 then 5 1 ja, then the 1 5 then 3 ja. Here is now 20a plus 490d minus 14a and minus 7 4 ja 28 and 7 3 ja 21 and 2 3. 7 4 ja 28, 7 3 ja 21 and 3 that is 38 is equal to 1026. Multiply, then you get 1026. What you get here? You get here 20a minus 14a, that is 6a, and here is 490 minus 238. What you get? 2. Now see, here is 28 plus 490d minus 14a minus 230d is equal to 10 to 6, 1026. Now dear student, you subtract 20a minus 14a, that is 6a. 490 minus 238 you get 252d is equal to 1026. Here take 6 as a common, then 6a here is 42d and divide by 6, then you get 171. So there are two equations you have. One is 2a plus 9d is equal to 42 and second is a plus 42d is equal to 171. Here is first equation and this is second. You multiply by 1 and this is 2. Then you get your solution, that is 2a plus 9d is equal to 42 and multiply by 2, then 2a plus 84d is equal to, here is 342. What you get? You subtract 42, 84. Then you subtract 42, that is 300 and here is cancelled. Then from these solutions you get a and d, and after a and d you get to find the a2. Simple way. Dear friend, now remain questions up to 22. Try to by self solve it. If any problem, then ask to me. Thank you, dear friend.